Intermittent fasting has exploded in popularity over the last decade. It's one of the most searched health topics on YouTube, and for good reason. People are tired of complicated diets, conflicting nutrition advice, and the constant pressure to eat perfectly. Intermittent fasting, or IF, promises something different: simplicity, structure, and results. But like any health strategy, it comes with pros, cons, misconceptions, and risks. And if you don't do it correctly, you can end up feeling worse, not better. Welcome back to the Healthy Lifestyle channel. I'm Dr. Lester. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know: the real benefits of intermittent fasting, the potential dangers and who should avoid it, how to do it safely and effectively, and the best foods to eat during your eating window. Let's get into it. What intermittent fasting actually is. Intermittent fasting isn't a diet. It's a timing strategy. It's about when you eat, not what you eat. The most common fasting schedules include 16-8 method. Fast for 16 hours, eat within an 8-hour window. This is the most popular and sustainable method. 18-6 method. A slightly tighter window, great for fat loss and metabolic flexibility. 5-2 method. Eat normally 5 days a week and consume 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. 24-hour fast. Eat, stop, eat. A full 24-hour fast once or twice a week. Not for beginners. Alternate day fasting. Fast every other day. This is the most extreme version and often unsustainable. The goal of fasting is to give your body a break from constant digestion so it can shift into repair mode, burn stored fat, and stabilize hormones. The pros of intermittent fasting. 1. Fat loss and metabolic flexibility. When you fast, insulin levels drop, and that's when your body finally taps into stored fat. This is why IF is so effective for weight loss without counting calories. 2. Improved insulin sensitivity. Fasting helps your cells respond better to insulin, reducing your risk of type 2 diabetes, metabolic syndrome, fatty liver disease. 3. Cellular repair and longevity. Fasting activates autophagy, your body's natural cleanup system. This process removes damaged cells and supports longevity. 4. Mental clarity and focus. Many people report sharper thinking during fasting windows because blood sugar is stable and inflammation is lower. 5. Simplicity. No calorie counting. No complicated meal plans. Just structure. The cons and risks of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is powerful, but it's not for everyone. 1. Hormonal disruption, especially in women. Women are more sensitive to fasting stress. Too much fasting can lead to irregular cycles, fatigue, thyroid issues, increased cortisol. 2. Nutrient deficiencies. If you skip meals but don't increase nutrient density, you may fall short on protein, iron, magnesium, B vitamins. 3. Overeating during the eating window. Some people binge because they're overly hungry, which cancels out the benefits. 4. Low energy and irritability, especially in the first 1 to 2 weeks as your body adapts. 5. Not safe for everyone. Avoid IF if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, have a history of eating disorders, have uncontrolled diabetes, are underweight, take medications that require food. How to do intermittent fasting correctly. Start slow. Jumping straight into 16-8 or 18-6 can shock your system. Begin with a 12-hour fast and build up gradually. Stay hydrated. During fasting hours, you can drink water, black coffee, herbal tea, electrolytes, no sugar. Hydration reduces hunger and supports energy. Break your fast gently. Avoid breaking your fast with sugar, refined carbs, Heavy fried foods. These spike blood sugar and cause crashes. Instead, break your fast with protein, fiber, healthy fats. This stabilizes your metabolism. Eat enough during your window. Fasting is not starvation. You still need nutrients, protein, and calories. Listen to your body. If fasting causes dizziness, anxiety, or extreme fatigue, adjust your window or stop. The best foods to eat during your eating window. Intermittent fasting works best when paired with nutrient-dense foods. Healthy fats. Avocado, olive oil, nuts and seeds, salmon, sardines. These stabilize blood sugar and support brain health. High-quality proteins. Eggs, chicken, turkey, grass-fed beef, lentils and beans. Protein is essential for muscle, hormones, and satiety. Fiber-rich vegetables. Broccoli, spinach, kale, Brussels sprouts, peppers. Fiber supports digestion and blood sugar control. Low glycemic fruits. Berries, apples, grapefruit, kiwi. These provide antioxidants without spiking insulin. Complex carbohydrates. Quinoa, sweet potatoes, oats, brown rice. These fuel your workouts and support thyroid health. Fermented foods. Greek yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi. Gut health improves fasting results. Foods to avoid during IF. Avoid foods that spike insulin or cause inflammation. Sugary drinks, refined carbs, processed snacks, seed oils, alcohol, fast food. These work against the benefits of fasting. My final thought: intermittent fasting is a tool, not a religion. Intermittent fasting can transform your health, but only when done intentionally. It's not about starving yourself. It's not about suffering. And it's not a magic cure. It's a tool, a structure, a way to give your body the space it needs to repair, reset, and thrive. Pair fasting with whole foods, movement, hydration, and stress management, and you'll unlock its full potential. If you enjoy this type of content, please like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment below. Let me know if there is a topic that you would like me to address. And check out my award-winning book, Stronger by the Day, Master the Habits of Health, Fitness, and Vitality, along with Slimmer and Stronger by the Day, The Habit Blueprint for Lasting Weight Loss, Living Longer and Stronger by the Day, The Everyday Habits for Lifelong Health and Vitality, and Mentally and Emotionally Stronger by the Day, Mental Habits for Focus, Confidence, Resilience, and Emotional Intelligence, all available on Amazon and my website. Until next time, nourish, move, relax, and revitalize. See you in the next video.